Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both numbers and the app. Make sure you have WhatsApp Business or the phone's dual app feature enabled. This lets one device host two accounts. Once done, back up your current chats to Google Drive so you can restore if needed. Next, insert both SIMs or ensure the second number can receive SMS or calls. You will need the verification code. Make sure camera and storage permissions are granted so you can scan QR codes or save media during setup. Now verify the second number inside the second WhatsApp instance. You'll enter the number, request SMS or a call, and input the 6-digit verification code. This ties that number to the app instance. Once verified, restore the backup if it matches that number, or skip restore to keep accounts separate. Configure profile information and notification settings so you can distinguish messages. Make sure each account uses its own backup target or folder to avoid overriding chat histories between numbers. Finish by testing both accounts. Send messages, update status, and confirm media sends correctly. Customize wallpapers and notification tones so you instantly know which number received a message. If you used WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business, verify each has its own backup schedule to prevent cross-restores. If something goes wrong during verification, try the call verification option or briefly move the SIM to another phone to receive the code. Once verified, return it to your main device and confirm both accounts function normally.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.